Hello there, let's make an hexagon inscribed in a circle. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe the channel. Let's start to do a circle where our hexagon will be inscribed. Then let's trace a diameter of that circle. Let's call the segment AB. Then, without changing the aperture of the compass, we'll put the needle in the point A, and with the opening of the compass until the center of the circle, we draw a big arc. We repeat the process with the needle in the point D. Now, all the points of our hexagon are defined. Let's name them B, C, E and F. The center is the point O of origin. Now let's connect the points. There it is, our hexagon. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe the channel. See you!